Once again, a warm welcome to the Youth of India. Dear students, we welcome you all to this platform of Waves of Knowledge, a professional course e-series with personality enhancement series conducted by ISKCON Mira Road. So as we all know that great things always start by taking the name of God. So let's begin our evening by listening prayers and remembering the name of God.
चेतो दर्पण मार्जनम भवमहादावाग्नि निर्वापणम श्रेय कैरव चंद्रिका वितरणम विद्यावधू जीवनम आनंदाम्बुधिवर्धनम प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनम् सर्वात्मा स्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम् नामकारि बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमित स्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं मिहाजनिनानुरागः तृणादपि सुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा हरे न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीश कामये भवतात् भक्ति अहेतुकी त्वयि तनुजा किंकरं पतितं मां विषमे भवाम्बुधो कृपया तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशीं विचिन्तया नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गद्गदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपुः तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावृषायितम् जगत् सर्वं गोविंद विरहेण मे आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनष्टुमा अदर्शनान् मर्मः सहतां करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
After listening such a blissful prayers, now let's move further towards the activities of CMC. We know CMC has conducted many activities before and is conducting activities during the lockdown also. So let's have a look on a video to know more about it.
Busy life, exam pressure, stress, anger, battle of busy schedules, all of which leads to alcoholism, depression, and worst of all, loneliness. And yet when asked, how are you? You say fine. Wanna stay calm? Feel better and get over all these.
Character Management course, CMC, began in the early 2020s. Imparting classroom trainings with renowned speakers. And enthusiastic students. The lectures left them really happy and enjoying with performances such as speeches, storytelling, music, skit, and so on. At CMC, we believe that the stage is all yours. We also celebrate events and occasions such as Women's Day, birthdays, and so on. CMC also conducted its mega event called as Umang, which consisted performances by Madhu's Rock Band and a session by Vivek Bindra. It was filled with dance and blissful time. It has seen successful participation of over 6,000 students. Oh, hungry by now? Here's some prasadam too. Come, participate, enjoy. No doubt you will say, I love CMC. Unmask and be truly happy.
So I guess after seeing this video, we all know what CMC actually is. Now, to make our event more live and to enlighten our evening, I would like to invite Professor Madhuri Agarwal, who is the Principal Director of CMC, to give us a warm welcome note. So welcome, ma'am, and enlighten the event with your gratifying words.
Thank you so much, my dear girl. And a warm good evening to everyone once again. It's a beautiful day today. And as we see, it's rainy today. Being in Mumbai, it's always a new experience to experience the new kind of weathers that we go through. And similar thing is there with our lives. And that is a common thing with the stock market too. You don't know every moment how the market changes. And that exactly stands with us. We don't know how the life is going to be, giving us a new thought process, a new life, and a new way to look about with it. Every day can be a new beginning had it been such a way wherein we think about it. Every day can be a new start if we think about it so, because it begins from here and it ends up till the heart for us. Therefore, it's very essential, everyone, that to begin this day with much more cheer and gratefulness, we come up together and start it up with a much more cheerfulness with understanding ups and downs are just like this rainy and summer and winter season. Whether be it the stock market or be it a personal life, be it the days of happiness or distress, they would come and go, come and go, come and go. It depends on us how seriously we want to take it or how boldly we want to take it. If we take it boldly, understanding they're just like seasons. Just like when you have summer going on, you know winters are going to come back. When you know winters are there, you know that there's summer going to come back, followed by rainy season. Similarly, the ups and downs in life is same way. This is said by Lord Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, wherein he explains to Arjuna, Matra Sparshastru Kauntaya, you don't need to be scared, Arjuna. It's all happiness and distress is just like the summer and winter season. They'll come and go, they'll come and go. It's we who stand focus over here and focus in our lives too. And let me tell you today, the most important thing to speak to us about what is real happiness, because in this life, we all are searching happiness. In the stock market, some people wait for the market to go down. Some people are eagerly waiting for the market to go up. Some people think if the market goes down, I'll be happy. Some people think if the market goes up, I will be happy. And in turn, we all are actually searching for happiness. And to get us a better idea of what is this real happiness, this is going to be spoken to us by none other than His Grace, Amol Galila Prabhuji. Now, he is a well-qualified person who is himself a motivational speaker, a life coach. By studies, by his graduation, he is a bachelor's in technology in the CS, that is computer science, and he has been a revolutionary game changer for all of us. So therefore, to enlighten us, he is going to be there with us day after tomorrow, that is on 6th August, from 5 o'clock, same place, same time. And it's going to be a beautiful session. Now, what is he going to speak about? As I was talking about happiness and distress, search of happiness, he's exactly going to be speaking about what is happiness and how do we constantly keep searching for happiness. But who is he? We haven't heard him. Do we really need to hear him? So let's hear about him from him, a small video. When you all look at his video, you will actually understand what does he speak about. You will actually understand what is he or who he is. We always like to hear someone who is just like us, who is filled up with life, who is actually a person who speaks from his heart. And exactly we have over here this great amazing personality, and his name is Amol Galila.
Girlfriend, boyfriend, palm.
Please continue, gracious.
गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड पाम। कुछ लोग गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड इसलिए बनाते हैं कि ना इससे बड़ी हमारा कॉलर ऊपर होता है। तो पता है यार उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, बोला उसका बॉयफ्रेंड है। लेकिन जिंदगी बर्बाद करने का इससे बेहतरीन तरीका और कुछ नहीं है। जो लड़का एक बार गर्लफ्रेंड के चक्कर में पड़ गया, लड़की बॉयफ्रेंड के चक्कर में पड़ गई, किताब खुली, पेज नंबर 52, 2 घंटे बाद कौन सा पेज खुला होगा? 52। माता पिता बोलते हैं बच्चा पढ़ता तो बहुत है, नंबर नहीं आते, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आते इसके। ऐसा करते पंडित जी के पास लेके जाते हैं, इसमें शनि और राहु की दशा चल रही होगी। ये शनि की दशा नहीं है, इसके ऊपर सुनीता की दशा चल रही है। राहु की दशा नहीं है, राहुल की दशा चल रही है इसके ऊपर। तो एक बार जो गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड के चक्कर में पड़ गया, उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद है। मैंने 12 साल पहले अपनी कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग की थी। मेरे आज भी ऐसे दोस्त हैं जो 12 साल बाद भी 25-30 हजार रुपए की टुच्ची नौकरी करते हैं। क्यों? कुछ आता ही नहीं। इंटरव्यू में क्या बोले, क्या आता तुमको? सैंडल खरीदनी आती है और सैंडल खानी आती है, क्या करेगा? तो इसने एक बार जो गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड के चक्कर पड़ा है, कुछ एकदम बर्बादी के रास्ते में हो, एकदम बर्बादी के रास्ते में। और जितना हमें लगता है कि ना बहुत गहरा प्यार है, बिल्कुल खोखला ढकोसला प्यार होता है ये, एकदम खोखला, एकदम बेकार। जैसे अक्सर लड़के जो है वो लिख के देंगे ग्रीटिंग कार्ड के ऊपर, द रोजेस आर रेड, द स्काई इज ब्लू, ओह माय डार्लिंग, आई लव यू। फिर एक साल बाद जब देख लिया, वही पकाऊ बातें, वही सड़ी शक्ल, तो क्या लिख के देगा? रोजेस आर डेड, आई हैव फ्लू, डोंट कम नियर मी, परे हट तू। तो वैसे जो है प्यार को दिखाते हैं ग्रीटिंग कार्ड पे ना, हार्ट बनाते हैं, ऐसे करके हार्ट बनाएंगे, उसमें तीर निकालेंगे, खून की बूंदें बनाएंगे, आई लव यू। लेकिन पता है इस प्यार की गहराई कितनी है? 1 मिलीमीटर। कितनी? कैसे भाई 1 मिलीमीटर कैसे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर यहाँ बहुत ही सुंदर लड़की खड़ी हो, बहुत ही सुंदर, मक्खन का पेड़ा चंडीगढ़ की, तो हो सकता है आप उसको ना देखें, किसको देखेंगे? उसको देखेंगे, बड़ी सोनी।
Thank you so much, dear Gracious. So I think so you all had an amazing time hearing him, and he is completely full of life. Don't go for his amazing haircut. Don't go for his amazing color of his dress. But he is an amazing personality, and more than that, the biggest thing is he's going to be live with us. So it's going to be an amazing moment for us. You can see on your slides the beautiful PowerPoint or the pamphlet that we have with us. So I request all of you to be please be there, and you can invite all your friends, even though they're not a part of stock market, they can specially be coming to hear out his lecture. And his topic for that day is going to be stock market, or you can say the search of happiness with regards to the stock market or in lives. Thank you so much, everyone. Waiting to see you all with much more great zeal. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your delightful words. And we are really excited for the next session. Now, to inaugurate our auspicious event, I would like to welcome CA Umesh Narvekar, who is a chartered accountant. Sir has also done graduation in cost accounting. He has done diploma in information system audit. He is a licentiate company secretary. Sir is currently pursuing LLB course. He is a fellow member of ICAI and a managing partner of CA Umesh Company, Chartered Accountant, Mira Road. So welcome, sir, and please grace the event with your kind words.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Good evening, friends. A very
Good evening,
nice,
sir.
very nice course is continued by the ISKCON Character Management course, and the series of in this course today we are dealing with the subject of stock market course. On this occasion, I welcome the today's guest speaker, CFO Nehal Parekh sir, all the participants. The course which is more important from you from a learning perspective, because the entire character management course which has been conducted by ISKCON and jointly with the Bhayandar CA, multifold activities, right from the development of your soul, right from the development of your knowledge, right from the development of your personality, and trying to give you all-round development. And in this course today you are going to get enlightened about the subject of a stock market course. As you all are aware, there are a lot of ups and downs are there in the stock market. Daily we are hearing about those news, stock market बढ़ गया, नीचे आ गया. What is it about? What are the basics of stock market? What are the ups and downs? How they have been calculated? What are the technology? What is the risk? What is the rewards? All these details are to be dealt with by an eminent speaker for this session today, CFO Nehal Parekh ji. I'm sure that, friends, the entire today's session will be in a new enlightenment to all of you, because the way the things are happening in our economy needs to be reflected, and they are being reflected by the stock market. And as students, we need to be updated with the changes happening in the economy, changes happening in the entire stock market. And that's why this today's topic will be more important, more relevant for you to know more about these things. I am sure that this coming 1 hour session will be something different feast for all of you, and will definitely enjoy the discussion that will be dealt by our learned speaker, CFO Nehal Parekh ji. I welcome once again to all the participants, our speaker Nehal Parekh sir, and all other contributors to this program. And once again, giving a warm welcome, hand over the mic to the concerned authorities. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and for your presence. Now it's time to know about our wonderful speaker today. So I request Ms. Lovely Mishra to give a brief introduction about our speaker.
A very zestful evening to everyone. So, it is with a special excitement that I am pleased to introduce our speaker, Nehal Parekh sir. He is CFO in F2 Fund Wealth Management Services, and this F2 Fund has been incorporated in the year 2009. The company is recognized by AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds in India, and IDRA, which stand for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. This company has 1,000 plus satisfied clients by now and is managing 150 plus crores of assets. There is an old saying, if you can speak, you can influence. If you can influence, you can change life. So now, I would like to welcome Nehal Parekh sir to start today's session and delight us. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, lovely Mishra, for your kind words, and thank you, CMC team, to giving me the opportunity to be here. It's always pleasure to being with the young audience, right? So the young audience below 25 years, it's a great thing, and I always have a passion to explain the things which is very important in a life, because what I'm sharing. ये आज जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ वो एक्चुअली मुझे पता चला था when I was 35, and you are lucky कि आज आपको when you are in 18 to 25, I think all students are from 18 to 25, right? If I'm not wrong. So my presentation, today's presentation is not the one-way presentation. यहाँ पे मैं आज आपको कुछ बताने नहीं आया हूँ, because आपको जो भी कुछ जानना है उसके लिए गूगल है. What the thing is that गूगल्स में इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, तो आपको कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी है और कौन सी नहीं लेनी है, एक्चुअली वो ही प्रॉब्लम होती है, right? So I am not here to give you the Google glance. I am here to give you the practical of how what exactly you take out from the Google, right? So Mubashri, can you help me out with that? Students, my presentation will be interactive way. It is not the one way situation. यानी अगर मैं आपको कोई questions करते रहूँगा and आपको मुझे आंसर देने हैं और वो आंसर आपको चैट में लिख के देने हैं, आप चैट बॉक्स पे लिखोगे, and Mubashri will help me because I am not able to see the chat box. So Mubashri, can you help me out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, anyone knows about, heard about Warren Buffett?
So you can see the chat box now. It's open for everyone.
Yeah, when I share the screen now, it will close to me. That's why.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem.
Oh, great. Warren Buffett आपको पता है? Have you know Jeff Bezos? Yes, Amazon, CEO of Amazon. Superb. So the thing is that I would like to start my presentation with the interview of both of the legend. जेफ बेजोस ने वॉरेन बफेट को एक बड़ा सा सिंपल क्वेश्चन किया कि मिस्टर बफेट, आपके पे यानी आप पे बहुत सारी किताबें लिखी गई है, आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट के प्रिंसिपल्स गूगल पे अवेलेबल रहते हैं और आए दिन लोग उसको व्हाट्सअप करते रहते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, but still people are not making money. So what is the reason for that? Okay, so Warren Buffett laughed and he says, okay, look, because the problem is with the everybody investor is, yes, exactly, everybody want to reach fast. And if we heard about the Warren Buffett, उन्होंने 11 साल से ये इन्वेस्टमेंट चालू किया था. Today is 85 years old. Right, so he get the benefit of 70 years compounding. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि what is the meaning of compounding, right, and which assets class is giving this effect, the compounding effect. So I will start my presentation with this. Let me share the screen. Obviously, I'm audible to all, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So it is an initiative to spread the awareness about making money more productive for achieving your future financial goals. Right. Everybody seen this? ये फोटो आप देख रहे हो, ये कौन सी मूवी का है?
रावण.
Okay, good. पीछे कौन है उसके? There are two characters in the screen. Obviously, can you help me out?
Yes, sir. Everyone is saying Arjun Rampal.
That's okay. But what is the name of the character? It's a Ravan and Jeevan. Yes, perfect. It's a Ravan and Jeevan. So if we see the picture, यहाँ पे एक हीरो है, एक विलन है, राइट? तो हीरो की जरूरत होती है, पहले विलन आता है. देखो पिक्चर में पहले कौन आता है? विलन आता है, हीरो आता है?
No, villain आता है.
Exactly. और विलन को बीट करने के लिए हमको हीरो की जरूरत पड़ती है. The same way in life also, हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, फाइनेंशियल लाइफ में भी हमारे पास विलन्स होते हैं. तो लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड दैट विलन. देखो सबसे बड़ा विलन होता है इन्फ्लेशन, राइट? दिस इज द इन्फ्लेशन को बीट करना होता है. व्हाई यू रिक्वायर्ड अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. See, people are confused with FDs करना है, रियल एस्टेट करना है, गोल्ड करना है, इक्विटी करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है, बट क्यों करना है? That's the important point. And the biggest hurdle in your financial goal is the inflation. देखो यही सबसे बड़ा विलन होता है. If you look at gold price 1990 3,200 and 2019 में 37,000. Today it has reached to 50,000. Right? But actual inflation यानी गोल्ड कितना बढ़ा? अगर 2019 तक का रेट देखेंगे तो 8.78. पेट्रोल 9 रुपीज 84 पैसे से 80 रुपीज हो गया. कितना बढ़ा? 7.5%. डीजल 4.8 to 70. मिल्क 6 to 56%. So this is the important part कि भाई हमको ये इन्फ्लेशन को बीट करना होता है. So there are 4 assets class जहाँ पे हम इन्फ्लेशन को बीट कर सकते हैं. दुनिया में आप कहीं पर भी जाओ, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट में 4 ही assets class कर सकते हो. One is FD, fixed guaranteed return. If you look at the rate price of 1980 FDs की अगर आप बात करोगे, if you ask to your parents, तो आपको बताएंगे कि when they were young the interest rate was 16%, right? Today's FD rate is 6.5%. It is decreasing. If we look at the gold price, the rate of gold price in 1980 is 1,000 rupees. Today it is 45,000 to 50,000. So it reached to 40-45 times वो बढ़ा है. अगर मैं प्रॉपर्टी की बात करूं, प्रॉपर्टी इज द बिगेस्ट वेल्थ क्रिएटर पीपल आर थिंकिंग. मुंबई में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी, सबसे महंगी प्रॉपर्टी कहाँ पे मिलती है? साउथ मुंबई में. अगर मैं साउथ मुंबई का एक एग्जांपल ले आऊं, बिकॉज ये एग्जांपल 2014 के न्यूज़पेपर में आया हुआ था. 2014 में इन अ वर्ली सी फेस, एवरीबडी इन अ वर्ली सी फेस, लोगों ने एक प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में सुना था. द प्रॉपर्टी का पर स्क्वायर फीट रेट 1.25 लाख स्क्वायर फीट हुआ था, राइट? सो ये प्रॉपर्टी का न्यूज़पेपर में आया तो लोगों ने सुना कि भाई ये क्या इतना ह्यूज रिटर्न किसने बनाया. तो उसका बैक टेस्टिंग हुआ तो पता चला कि ये प्रॉपर्टी 1976 में 600 रुपीज में किसी इन्वेस्टर ने ली थी, एंड 1000 रुपीज, यानी कि अगर मैं राउंड फिगर लेता हूं तो ये 100 टाइम्स बढ़ी है. एट द सेम टाइम इक्विटी, व्हेन वी लुक एट द इक्विटी, we look at the Sensex, right? So Sensex was born in 1980 with 100. Today it is 34, 35. Any figure? It is ये figure, ये जब भी मैंने presentation बनाया तभी ये 31,000 था, तो ये 310 times बढ़ा. तो if we look at कि हमको अगर देखना है कि भी हमारी सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी assets कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए, so can you give me the answer कि हमारे पास यानी कि सबसे बड़ी assets कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए? इक्विटी, प्रॉपर्टी, गोल्ड और एफडी?
Sir, everyone is answering equity.
Great, but the thing is that the irony of the fact is that यहाँ पे बैठे हुए जितने भी लोग हैं, because you are the students, but उनके पेरेंट्स में से 90% लोग ने इक्विटी में इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं किया होगा, और अगर वो किया भी होगा तो वो उसकी एसेट्स का शायद 5 या 5% से ऊपर नहीं होगा, राइट? सो आज हम बात करेंगे इक्विटी की, कि ये इक्विटी क्या है और ये आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंज कर सकता है. सी द टॉपिक ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, यानी कि हमारा जो आज का जो सेशन है वो स्टॉक मार्केट पे है, एंड द मदर ऑफ द स्टॉक मार्केट इज इक्विटी. तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई ये इक्विटी क्या है. अगर ये इक्विटी आप समझ गए तो आप स्टॉक मार्केट को समझना 5 मिनट का काम है, राइट? ये अगर इक्विटी नहीं समझे तो आपको स्टॉक मार्केट लाइफ में कभी भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, right? That's why equity is very important thing. Now let's understand what is equity. चलो इक्विटी का जन्म क्यों हुआ? स्पेकुलेशन करने, सट्टा करने. जैसे टाटा को पहले क्या पुराने दिन में बहुत फैक्ट्री पे काम किया करते थे, तो बोलते चलो ना कुछ खेलते, यानी बहुत काम हो गया आज खेलते, चलो शेयर खेलते, ऐसा होगा. इक्विटी का जन्म क्यों हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? Why equity has born? मुफ्शिका, आंसर आ गया आपको कोई?
Sir, company needed funds, that's why. To get funding.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. देखो कंपनी को पैसे चाहिए, कंपनी को पैसे एक्वायर करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. एक बिजनेस को देखो, इक्विटी मींस गुड बिजनेस, और एक बिजनेस को बिजनेस करने के लिए बड़ा पैसा चाहिए होता है. अभी पैसा इकट्ठा करने के 2-3 तरीके होते हैं, जैसे हम फ्रेंड्स फैमिली से लोन लेते हैं, बैंक से लोन लेते हैं. उसके अलावा भी अगर बड़ा पैसा चाहिए तो गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग वन ऑप्शन कि आप पब्लिक के पास जाओ. आप पब्लिक को बोलो देखो मेरा ये बिजनेस था, मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक लेके आया हूँ, आप मेरे बिजनेस में पार्टनर बनो. व्हेन यू आर बाइंग द इक्विटी, यू आर बाइंग द पार्टनरशिप, राइट? अगर आपने कोई बिजनेस में पार्टनरशिप करी है तो आपको आज से ही प्रॉफिट मिलना चालू हो जाएगा? नहीं, यानी आपको ये आज से प्रॉफिट मिलना नहीं चालू होगा, ठीक है? यानी आप यू हैव टू वेट. इक्विटी मीन्स गुड बिजनेस, इक्विटी इज नथिंग. हम इक्विटी को किस नजरिए से देखते हैं? यस, मेरा स्टॉक मार्केट देखो, आज मैंने 100 रुपए में लिया, मेरा 50 हो गया. आज मैंने 100 रुपए में लिया, मेरा 150 हो गया. दैट इज अ स्पेक्युलेशन. दिस इज नॉट इक्विटी. इक्विटी मीन्स अच्छा बिजनेस, और अच्छा बिजनेस को हमको टाइम देना होता है. अच्छा बिजनेस वो होता है कि आने वाले 10-20 साल में उसको कोई तकलीफ ना हो. अच्छा बिजनेस ये होता है कि आने वाले 10-20 साल में उसकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बनी रहे. अच्छा बिजनेस ये होता है कि जो अपने ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स को बेनिफिट देता हो. दिस इज द इक्विटी, राइट? हम इक्विटी को किस नजरिए से देखते हैं, यानी 100 में लिया 150 में बेचा, 100 में लिया 90 हो गया, 100 में लिया 180 हो गया।
मैम, माधुरी मैम, मैम,
So you may continue now.
Madhuri ma'am, can you please make sir co-host? Yes, sir.
Sir, you may start the screen sharing and continue.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, please. Yeah, now I'm a host, so I can share. Sorry, it's a technical fault from my end. The life is like that only. It is we are seeing the practical way, signal ups and downs. It is like a stock market. So signals are coming and down, right? So if we look at the share price, how the share price will grow, So we have to understand how which product we are using day-to-day life. We are using each and every products, and we are giving business to the companies. From morning, we are सुबह उठे पहला first काम what we are doing is a Colgate and Hindustan Lever. Then चाय के साथ बिस्किट्स Nestle, Britannia. Then Britannia, perfect, right? So then we go to the office by car, Maruti. Okay, कार के टायर, MRF टायर्स. ब्रेक कहाँ से बनती है? Bosch, which is making the brake clutch and brake part for them, right? How the car is working? By the petrol say. So we are buying a petrol. So every day in life we are thinking of giving business to some and other companies. We are contributing to the growth. Why India is the great investment destination? Because our 65% of the populations are millennials, right? Millennials like you, and you are contributing to the growth. When you are buying a product, you are contributing to the growth. When you are buying the equities, you are participating to the growth. So you are taking the part of their contribution. So that's a very important thing. So how the share price is going? So consumption is increasing. If you look at the slide, the consumption is increasing. Consumption is increasing. The sales are going. If sales are up, the profits, they are making the profit, and the profit are making, share price is going up. So this is the way, this is the cycle. In stock market, the speculation is a part and parcel of the game, right? We cannot control the speculation. By doing the speculation, I can make the onion price ₹100, but I cannot sustain that price. So this is the difference between the speculations and the strong growth. So we need to understand. I will give you one example. What is the power of the equity? Before that, daily consumption. Now see that 7 a.m. what we are doing, coffee. In 2000, it was Colgate 180 rupees price. 2015, it is 2046. कितने percentage change हुए? How much percentage it has changed? 1138. Tata Coffee that we are drinking, Maruti 160 rupees to 4000 rupees to 2521%. Infosys, आपके बैंकिंग के जितने भी सॉफ्टवेयर है वो Infosys बनाती है, right? We need to understand. We are going to the Kotak Bank to open the account. They are making the profit. Cromptons, हमारे पंखे, right? You are buying the fan, who are making the profit? Cromptons. Jubilant, देखो Pizza Hut, Domino's Pizza. Who loves Domino's Pizza? Right. So this is the Jubilant Food who are making the profit. Reliance Industries, Marico, Pidilite. This is one of यानी बहुत सारे. There are many more examples you find. But the thing is that they have created in a long span, not in a small span of the period. That we need to understand this. Right. So I want to tell you the power of equity. What is the power of equity? Let's understand. I will give an example. Just imagine how much can a person make in last 30 or 40 years by just investing 10,000 initially in any financial instrument. If you think gold was a better, if you think real estate was a better, if you think equity was a better, can anyone answer? How much is the 10,000 rupees worth today after 40 years? Guess anything. आपकी सोच कहाँ तक जा सकती है? Anything guess? 10,000 rupees.
Crore, millions.
Super, great. Okay,
12 crore.
12 crore. Wonderful. Great. I will give you one example. This is one of the best example, right? This is one of the best example. In 1980, 100 shares you have purchased. Somebody has purchased at ₹100. 100 rupees face value. In 81, company has declared a bonus, so 100 become 200. In 85, company again there's the bonus, issue the bonus. Why the company is issuing a bonus? There is a two-way of issuing, sharing the profit. See, bonus is the part of the profit which company is sharing. There is a two-way company is sharing the profit. One, they are giving the dividend, and another way to give the bonus. So what is the difference? What is the difference between the dividend and bonus? Dividend, company has to pay the cash to the investors. Okay, so the money is outflowing from their pocket, right? So instead of doing that, they are keeping money and they are giving the paper to the investors. Okay, now you have a 100 shares, now you have a 200 shares. So this is the way they are sharing the profits, and that's why the investor will get the benefit. So 85, the company shares, the 85, the 100 shares become 400 shares, right? In 1986, company split the shares to 10 rupees. Now what is the split of shares, right? The split means exchange. So now earlier it is a 100 rupees note. It is like a exchange. Yani I am having a 100 rupees note, okay, and you are having a 100 rupees note. I have taken the 100 rupees note from you and I have given you the 10 rupees 10 notes, right? So the value has changed? No. So this is the meaning of split. Why the company is doing the splitting? Okay, to take care the small investors. Like अगर shares का price 100 से 5000 चला जाता है, तो everybody is not comfortable to buy those price at the 5000 per one shares. Okay, so company is splitting the shares and they bring them to the price to 500 rupees. So now every investor can buy those shares. So that's why for the benefit of investors, the split is happening. Okay, so if we look at now, okay, 100 shares become 400 shares, 4000 shares. Now 87, company has declared again 1 per 1 bonus, 8000 shares. 89, 1 per 1 bonus, 16,000 shares. 92, 1 per 1 bonus, 32,000 shares. 95, 1 per 1 bonus, 64,000 shares. 98, 1 per 2 bonus, 1,92,000 shares. In 99, 2 rupees, again it has split, company has split. So now it is 9,60,000 shares. 2004, company has declared 1 per 2 bonus, 28,80,000 shares. 2005, 1 per 1 bonus, 57,60,000 shares. Now, students, this is the increasing the shares, quantity of the shares. This is not the value of the investments, right? In 2010, company has given the bonus of 2 shares to every 3 shares, and the investor get 96 lakh shares. Note the company यहाँ पे नहीं रुकी है. In 2017, company has given its last bonus of 1:1. So 96 lakh shares become 1 crore 92 lakh shares. And imagine what is the value of this company, what is the value of these shares now, right? If we consider 1 rupees of share price, today it is 1 crore 92 lakhs. But you know this company, we know very well this company, and this company is Wipro, and the worth rupees 576 crores. 10,000 rupees investment become 576 crore. This is the power of equity that I want to know. I just want to tell you. I want to convey the message. What is the power of equity? This is not the only example. We have Cipla, 10,000 in 79. In Cipla, we face to 275 crore. We are not thinking anything beyond taking the medicine. We are taking medicine, right? Infosys, 10,000 in 92 face to 6 crore. Again, Baxi, 1,000 in 80 face to 15 crore. This is the old example. I will give you the real one example. Royal Enfield. Everybody knows Royal Enfield, right? Suppose 2001, one has bought the bike at 55,000, and one who has not bought the bike but bought the shares of Royal Enfield. That is Eicher Motor. Who are making the Royal Enfield is a Eicher Motor, right? If you notice in 2001, the shares price of Eicher Motor is 17.5. 17.5 रुपए में वो मिल रहा था. If anyone would have bought the shares of Eicher Motor instead of bike, man would have 3143 shares. The Eicher Motor share price today, 26 May 2020, is 14,000 per share. 14,000 per share. Instead of bike, they have 4.65 crores of assets, and this is 55,000 worth rupees. In 19 years, it is 4.65 crores. You will find all these examples in Google, right? I have taken in from Google. This is not the rocket science, and this is the fact of life, right? So Warren Buffett ने जैसे बताया था, everybody want to get rich faster. That's the point, right? So this is the important thing. But the main important thing, why you want to invest, why you go to stock market. The thing is that why you go to stock market. Before investing, you should know your goal. Okay, because this is the best time in 18 to 25. I am fortunate, you are lucky that you got this information. When I got this information, my 35, I was at 35 when I got this information. Right. So this is very important thing. Goal is very important thing. Life has a three main goals. Everybody's life, family has a three main goals. Is their child education, their marriage, and the retirement. Like you are the students, your parents have the same goals. Okay. आगे चल के आपको भी ये लाइफ में आने वाले हैं. यही सब, दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल. ये सब यहाँ पे मैं नहीं जाऊंगा कि भाई आपको कैसे क्या करना है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. How the stock market is working, because our topic is stock market, we have to work on stock market, right? So the thing is that what is stock market? So 1979 Sensex is 100, in 2020 Sensex is 33,000. so 1 lakh rupiya, suppose when somebody has invested Sensex 1 lakh rupees in Sensex, today it is 3.30 crore. As on 31st March 2020, in past 36 years, BSE Sensex has given approximate 17% per annum. This is in spite of 2 world war. देखो इराक एंड कुवैत, अमेरिका ने ऑयल के लिए युद्ध किया था. It was the world war situation. At least 3 major financial scandal. Harshad Mehta, Ketan Parekh, Lehman Brothers, and this is the Corona crisis we have found. This is the latest one, COVID-19, right? Assassination of 2 prime minister, इंदिरा गांधी एंड राजीव गांधी को मारा गया. एटलीस्ट 3 रिसेशन पीरियड, 3 बड़ी बड़ी मंदी आ गई. 4 रिसेशन पीरियड इंक्लूडिंग करंट ग्लोबल रिसेशन. 13 governments has changed. Unfaces of natural disaster, tsunami, earthquake. Even though the market is giving some return, but we don't know. Now let us understand how the Sensex is moving. देखो Sensex as a index, Sensex का कोई movement नहीं होता है. Sensex को कभी मन नहीं करता है. Sensex has not having any movement. Sensex is a combination of 30 companies. Like Nifty. Nifty is the index of National Stock Exchange. Okay, Nifty has a 50 company. When you go to the Google, you will find all information. This is the open secret. If you go to the Sensex, what is the component of Sensex? You will find 30 companies. So if you find Sensex आज 500 पॉइंट बढ़ा है, it means Sensex में रही कंपनियां बहुत बढ़ गई है, या Sensex 500 पॉइंट घटा है, उसका मतलब ये होता है Sensex में रही कंपनियां घट गई. In stock market, the irony is that in stock market there are more than 8,000 listing companies, but the Sensex is moving on only 30 companies, and Nifty is moving only on 50 companies. Rest all of the market, all of the stocks are following the Sensex, the movement, right? So it is not the true that if the Sensex is down, every stock price will go down. It is not the true that if the Sensex will up, every stocks in the listing in the stocks markets will have having upside. So this is the thing why the Sensex is moving and why the stocks are moving in a different way. This is the reason, because Sensex is moving because of the 30 companies only. So that's a very important thing. Now the people are thinking, जैसे मैंने बताया, I told in every we know कि भाई हमको equity में सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा we have to put major money in equity. But why people are not investing in equity? Because people are thinking equity are the risky. Okay, I will give the proof. Equity is not risky, but mind well, it is in a long run, right? Anything which is risky, it is for a shorter term, because I don't know what the market is going to behave tomorrow, but I certainly know what the market is behaving after 10 years or 20 years. So that's the important part of the market. We have to understand this. If anybody want to come into the market, if anybody want to invest in the market, they have to come for the longer period, not the shorter period. Trading is all about the shorter period. Trading is all about the speculations, and we as an investor, we don't have to do that, because we have a expertise in our field. You may be, आप इंजीनियर बनोगे, आप you maybe become a lawyer, you may become a CA. You are expertise in your field, right? So investment is a altogether a different ball game, right? If हम बीमार होते हैं तो डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं, हम मेडिसिन का स्टडी शुरू नहीं करते. The same way, if we have to have a need to help our finance, we have to go to the experts only, right? So equity long term में risky नहीं है. This is the example I will tell. Once the Narayan Murthy, you know Narayan Murthy, right? So Narayan Murthy को interview में the interview, are you believe in God? So Narayan Murthy has given the beautiful answer. Yes, I do believe, but first put data on the table. So everything is about data. आज की तारीख में, if we see, the world biggest business is data only. Okay, and what I am talking today is nothing but data only. Okay, so equity is not risky. See, this is the example, the Sensex. This is the Sensex. Every 31st March, Sensex ne, what is the result? What is the close of Sensex? Okay, in that year, what was the Sensex was high? What was the low? What was the incident happen? That we don't have to count. The bottom, what we are seeing in a CA, the closing price we are looking at, right? So in 79 Sensex 100, 80 128, 81 173. So if we look at the 1 year price, the red mark, if you see the red mark, this 2.85, 11, 21% minus, 46% minus, investor got the negative return. Out of 41 times, 14 times it get negative. So if you invest in a horizon of 1 year, if you invest in the stock market for horizon for 1 year, you will get these results. So now let's look at the 3 years results. So 1 to 3 average 29%, 1 to 3 average 18%. This is the data of every continuous 3 years return. So it is rolling. This is called rolling return. So 39 out of 39 times, 7 times it get negative. The probability of loss is 18%. The thing is that if you look at change your horizon from 1 year to 3 years, the probability of loss get decreased. And if we check 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 12 years, look at after 12 years, no chance of loss, right? No chance of loss. This is the beauty of the system, that we have to understand. The equity is a long-term product. Equity is not the short-term product, right? यहाँ पे what we are looking at, यहाँ पे Zerodha and all, they are entertain you to do a trade. We are not the trader, we are the investors. Believe me, we are the investors, we have to invest. Foreign companies are investing. If we look at the best of the best brand in our company, in our country, okay, they have flooded with the foreign investors. हमारे retail investors है ही नहीं. What we are doing only trading, right? Because equity, nobody has teach us the equity. So equity is for the longer term. It is not for the shorter term. Time is very important. Everybody, if we look at if any two stock market traders are meeting, they only asking one question: क्या लगता है कल क्या होगा? So this is the very important irony of the market. Best market time, time is not important. Warren Buffett has said market timing does not matter over the long term. It's a time is important. Timing is not the important thing. Best market timing has yield less than 2% additional return than systematic investment plan. See, this is the important thing. Investment in the BSE Sensex 32 years data. This data shows that these investors, these blue line investors, fix investment at highest value of the Sensex year. So these investors always say that my luck is not fine in the stock market. I always used to buy in the high. But if he bought the share, he bought the invest in the market at the high level for 32 years also, even though he has made 11%. Now this is the green bar. If you look at, this is the stock market trader. They have invested in the bottom. Nobody has get the bottom. Market in 2 months back, when the corona cases in India were used to 5,000, the Sensex was 25,000, and today it is crossed 10 lakhs and the market is 37,000. Nobody is knowing why the market is moving ahead. So that's the beauty of this market. And so nobody is get the bottom. So if this is the hypothetical example, if we invest in the bottom of the market every year, then the investor got 14%. And the beauty, the thing is that in the rate bar, the system that every month we investing for the next 32 years, the investor get 13%. So what do you think, which is the better option, blue bar, green bar or red bar? Students? Come on, students, which is a good option?
So green. Everyone is saying green.
Everybody is saying, so you want to trade in the stock market, you will find the bottom. Can you find the bottom? Come on, students.
Actually, all of them.
So some are saying red now.
See,
And some are saying blue.
Yeah, I will help you out. See, that's why I asked the question. This is a very beautiful thing. Okay, and I appreciate that you have given the answer. The thing is that, see, if we understand, if a blue and the green bar, we have to active in the stock market, right? Like a CA. Okay, if you take a profession in a देखो आप अपना career बनाओगे, if you become an engineer, आपके पास time है बाद में stock market देखने का, then how you made the money? Okay, that's why the third option is very important part, taking a part, right? This is the, यहाँ पे आपको आपका participation जरूरत नहीं है. You have put one day, you have select one day, and you have just put the money. That's it. So this is important part, and this is nothing but a systematic investment plan of mutual fund. Now mutual fund come into the picture, right? In equity, there is a two way to invest in equity. Okay, now you open the Demat account and you buy Infosys, you buy TCS. Do we know which is a better company? Do we know Sun Pharma is good, Cipla is good? Do we know that? Do we know that अगले 10 सालों में which company, which sector will emerging? Right? If we look at the history, in 1992 say 2000, Infosys was not there in the Sensex, and nobody knows Infosys, right? But Sensex has included Infosys after 2000. After including 2000, at that time TCS was not there. TCS come in 2004-5. So Sensex has included 2000 TCS in 2007-8. So Sensex is a revolving, it's revolving itself. Sensex वो अपने आप को revolve करता रहता है. So we don't have to look at कि भाई आज कौन सा sector अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा. Sensex will take care of this. That's why Sensex is very important thing. That's why index is very important thing. Right. So mutual fund, now the mutual fund come into the picture. So what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is the pool of money created by investor. Right? If you see this slide, you will understand the whole about the mutual fund. Now what will the investor will do? Right? So investor the mutual fund is the pool of money. Investor investing in the pool of money. Right? Now that pool of money goes to the fund managers. Okay, fund manager will invest in the securities. Now there are the mutual fund types has come. If the fund manager invest whole money in equity, in stock market, it is called equity mutual funds. When this fund manager invests those money into the government bonds and the debt security, it is called debt mutual fund. And when the fund manager, the same fund manager invest in CPCD, it's a commercial paper and commercial deposits of the companies, it is called a liquid fund. Liquid fund is nothing but the saving account of mutual fund. Now this is very important part. Mutual funds having, or mutual fund is a banking system. Why we are go to the bank? Right? We are going to the bank for saving and current account. Right? We are going for the FDs. Right? We are going for the bank to take a loan or do the recurring deposits. Okay. So this all things we can do in mutual funds. Right? So we can invest in a liquid fund by the way of saving and current account. There is a no market risk in liquid fund. We can invest in a debt fund against the FD, and we can invest in a SIP, systematic investment plan, against the recurring deposit of banks. Right? So the fund manager invest in a equity. Suppose it is an equity investment. The investment equity generates the returns, and return pass to the investors in the way of NAV, net asset value. Suppose today investor has invested, यानी कि fund manager had got 100 rupees, and that 100 rupees become 110. So 10 rupees NAV become 11 rupees. So the NAV, net assets value, is nothing but the total corpus of the fund divided by number of units. So that's the important part. You will find all your materials in the Google. जहाँ पे मुझे, I don't think कि मुझे this audience, because this audience are Google savvy. I know when I will tell something, they will immediately they will Google it, right? So NAV, everything, ये सब कुछ आपको पता है. ये आपको देखना है कि भाई how the NAV calculation होता है, वो this not important thing. How you are participating in this system is very important thing. And my focus of this presentation is how you are participating. This is a very important part. Right, the benefit of doing SIP for a longer term. So 5,000. See here the compounding effects comes up. Now the compounding effects. Right. So if we 5,000 investment for 8 years become 8% CAGR, become 28 lakhs, and the same thing at the 15% CAGR becomes 66 lakhs in the 20 years. See the huge difference. That's why it's very important to select the right assets class. Right. It is not important to invest. It is important to invest in the right assets class. That's why important. This is the best example. 25,000 of investments in SIP for 8% will become 1.43 crore, and the 15% become 3.32 crore. The same invested 60 lakhs invested become 1.43 crore in 8%, and the 15% in 3.32 crore. This is important thing. Now the compounding effects come. Albert Einstein once noted that the most powerful force in the universe was the principle of compounding. In the investing, the manifest itself through something called compounding interest. Put it in a simple term. The phrase compounding interest means that you begin to earn interest income on your interest income, resulting in your money growing at ever accelerating rate. Do you know that the compounding, 15% compounding, what will be the value of 1 rupees? After 5 years, it is 2. After 4 years, after 10 years, it is become 4. 15 years become 8, and 30 years become 64. This is the power of compounding. Now, today I will give you the formula of compounding. Have you heard about the rule of 72? Students, rule of 72?
Yes, sir. The answers are yes.
Yes. What is rule of 72?
No, sir. We
No.
don't know.
Good. Okay. The thing is that, see, rule of 72 is the formula to calculate the compounding interest. Suppose somebody is some company, suppose some FD company, bank, you are going to the bank, and bank is saying that today's interest rate is 7%, and you want to know, okay, what is today I am going to 1 lakh rupees put into the bank, when it will get double. You got the point? When it will get double. So you have to calculate. How you will calculate? So you have to keep the formula of 72 here. 72 divided by, what is the rate of interest? 7%. Suppose. Okay, so 72 divided by 7. Come on, students. (72) divided by 7. Yes. What will be the answer? Mufsi, please, can you help me out?
10, sir, 10.2.
Super. So it means suppose you are investing 1 lakh rupees today in the fixed deposit, it will become, it will take 10.2 years to get double to 1 to 2 lakhs. Right? Suppose somebody is committing you a 15% return. So in a 15%, it is around about 4.75. It's a in a 5 years, it will get the double. So this is the benefit of rule of 72. ये rule of 72 फॉर्मूला आपको पूरी लाइफ आपको याद रखना है. राइट देखो आज को पढ़ाई में आपको कुछ आगे नहीं आए या नहीं आए, बट ये रूल ऑफ 72 आपको पूरी लाइफ याद रखना है. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर टू ऑल ऑफ योर लाइफ. Right, because we are working for money, and we have to understand how your money is working for you, whether your money is working for you or not. So that's the important part. Okay, what is the formula of compounding? It's a the formula of compounding. It's a present value. Okay, present value into 1 raised to r. What is r? Is the interest rate. Right, r raised to n. What is n? Is the number of time compounding in a year. So देखो every time we focus on rate of interest, 15%, 10%, 7%. We are not focusing on n, number of years. So as an investor, we have to focus on n, not the r. Right? If we focus on n, this is the important part. Okay, the compounding, how, see the example. The power of compounding, 10,000 earning simple interest, 10%, when the invested for 10 years become 20,000. But with the 10% interest compounding quarterly, it will become 26,851. See, bank is charging when you are talking when you are going to the bank. Okay, what bank is charging, you have to understand. Most of the time, people are seeing the paper, bade agreements they are seeing and just sign it. Okay, they are not checking what the interest rate they are charging and how they are charging. Right? If they are charging in a half yearly also, it will it amount the huge. Believe me, really it's amount the huge. That's why this knowledge is very important part. ये आपको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. In future, whether you take a loan, anything you will do, okay, you should be a aware investor. So that's the important part. So the most important part for the investor is start early. This is the compounding effect. Okay, this is the compounding effect. How you are going, how the starting early. Suppose investment age 25 years, somebody has started 10,000 rupees. 35 years invested, 42 lakhs invested become 11,041 crores. And somebody has invested at 45. He has started late and he has started double. So 20,000 become 15. After 15 years, he has invested 36 lakhs, but he has got only 1.23 crore. Right? Why so much of difference? Because the compounding of 20 years is the very important part. That's why the compounding is very important. Start early is very important part. Okay. Now I cannot. I already you have given the answer. Okay, where you should invest the money. Where you should invest most actually. See, every assets class is a good assets class. Huh? Okay, every assets class. It is not like that FD is good, real estate is a bad, or equity is the only good thing. But we have to understand as per our requirement and our goal. If your goal is to buy the real estate, then if equity is giving any return, we have to buy the real estate. Ghar to lena hi hai, right? That's why that's the important thing. If you have a money and you are putting in the stock market for 1 year, and this is the risky. If you have a money and you are investing, if you have a money for the next 1 year, you have to be in FD only. Okay, you have to be in FD or fixed deposit. You have never, यानी आपको stocks market में कभी नहीं जाना है. And if you have a money which you don't need it for next 20 years, like PF, right? Then you have to go to the equity market only. You don't go to the FD type of investor. So this is the common thing you have to look at. Right? So how you can need the see, this is the some examples of compounding. So if you require 1 crore in a 8% for next 20 years, so in a 8%, how much you need to contribute. Okay, in 15%, how much you need to contribute. So 10 crores, so this is the numbers, all numbers you can achieve. Okay, I will give one of the best example of the 100 crores. Suppose you are at 25. So next 20, yani ke when you are at 60, you can become a 100 crore owner by investing just 21,500 per month. So that's very important part. A lot of the new generations are taking loans. Okay, taking EMIs. Okay, so this is the good EMI. That's I want to convey the message. So that's the important part. So this is my contact number. If anybody wants the clarification or a more detail, you can contact us. This is, and I think I have taken, I think exactly I have taken 1 hour because, and I have concluded my presentation. Thank you very much. And then time for the questions.
Thank you so much, sir. If anyone have any question, please write it in the chat box.
Let me stop this screen. Yes. Who are eligible? Please explain the rule of 72. Great. Okay, okay. See, rule of 72, let me explain the rule of 72. The thing is that when you are going to the bank, okay, somebody is offering you, if you are going to the bank to do the FD, okay, the bank is telling we are offering you the 6% interest rate. Now you want to know when your money will get double. Okay, so how you will calculate? Right. So this is the simple way of calculating. 72 divided by 6. So after 12 years, your money will get double. Okay. Somebody is offering you, okay, I will give you money in a 3 years double, like cheat fund. Okay, like a cheat fund, they are offering you the 3 years में double. So you want to know how much return I'm earning. So 72 divided by 3. So 24 years per annum. So that's the important part, right? So, and you can Google it out. If you Google it out, this is not the anything I told about the secret. You can Google everything I have told in my presentation. You will find in Google. Right. If I have 10,000 and want to invest in equity, then should I diversify? Just a minute. Should I diversify buying or should buy the same company shares? See, that's the important part. We know the Satyam. I have given the one best example of Wipro. But have you heard about the Satyam? Right. Satyam at one point of time in 2009, at one point of time, it was the best company. Right. It is an A group company. When we all know what happened to the Satyam. So we don't know. Equity has a risk. Huh? I'm saying that equity has a risk. If we invest all our money in one company is a risk. Because we cannot control. See, today Reliance
Okay, so I request everyone to please turn on their cameras. So let's take a photo. Thank you so much, sir, for such an informative and interactive session. Now I request Ms. Manisha to propose the vote of thanks to express gratitude, because gratitude is the best attitude.
I deem it as my honor and privilege to be here to express a formal gratitude to all present here. First of all, I thank God Almighty for making today's occasion a grand success. And of course, a heartfelt thanks to our today's speaker, Sir Nihal Parekh, for enlightening us on the topic of what is stock market, what is indices, which is something very confusing for all of us. I'm sure we all have learned something meaningful and great and very informative today. We are all thankful to our very own Deepak sir and Madhuri ma'am who have organized this webinar for the benefit of all of us, and without whose support we would not have come up with such an incredible session today. I'm also in immense pleasure to be able to thank all our champions who have contributed a lot to put up this event and make it a great success. And last but not the least, I am all very thankful to all your participants and for being a part of this event. We hope to see you in the next session, which will be on 6th of August from 5 to 6 by Amog Leela Prabhuji. Yes, thank you so much.
The feedback link is in chat box, so guys, please fill it because attendance will be marked on that only. And attendance is compulsory for certification. So please fill the feedback link. It's in the chat box.